And liftoff of Shuttle Endeavour with NASA's final space station crew compartment that brings a bay window view to our celestial backyard.
Yo, what's going on, everyone? So Dogecoin is going to the moon right now. So let's go actually look at the overall market really quick, and then we'll take a look at Dogecoin, see what's going on. So right now, Bitcoin is on a rampage. We're up 63.2K. ETH almost 2.3. ETH is making its way up. Binance Coin 560. XRP 183 is making its way up here. Now let's just look up my man's Dogecoin over here. Click on it and let's see what's going on. So right now when I'm recording this, we had reached 9 cents. It's now currently down to 0.089. Maybe people are taking profits, could be completely overvalued right now, or maybe we could see it surge up even past the 10-cent mark after I post this video. But look at this, Dogecoin is literally ranked number 14. That's absolutely insane. Market cap is at $11.5 billion. Like, that's crazy. And obviously, if you guys have been following Twitter, Elon Musk for the past few months, you've seen him occasionally tweet and make jabs or essentially hint at Dogecoin and post some memes, and even some other well-known people on the social media space have made content around Dogecoin, it seems like. And for the most part, again, it was originally created as a meme from my understanding, but let's just look at the charts really quick. And just remember before I continue that everything in this video is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Be sure to do research before making any investments. But for the most part, I mean, Dogecoin was just flat. And we'll hop over to TradingView too, so we can see like the actual percentage gains and a better insight. But just in general, Dogecoin was flat for the most part. I mean, yeah, we did have some spikes back in 2017 when Bitcoin went to 20K all-time highs, absolutely crazy. And that basically continued for the beginning of 2018. Then crypto market kind of just fell off. But just back here, I mean, we barely touched like 1 cent. Then we're looking over here now. Is absolutely insane. At first, when we hit these price points, it was crazy. Now we settled down. We've had massive sell-off. And now we're breaking all-time highs now again. Now, again, let's just look really quick. Fun fact. You guys want to see some history again. I figured I'd make this. I'll read the short summary in case like not many people understand. They kind of just see Dogecoin, but they never really like looked at about what it is. And pretty much it's a popular Doge internet meme, right? So you guys see like the Doge, the dog, like the actual you can't see it here. It looks like they changed it right now, but used to have like the picture of like the Doge, the dog meme, right? And pretty much it features the Shibuya in on its logo. So here, just give you the quick look, right? This is a Doge meme. I mean, you can see Elon Musk's face over here. Snoop Doge. You guys get the point. That used to be originally the like the coin, the circulation of the logo, but now it seems like I guess they changed it, or maybe my thing's just lagging. I don't know, but basically that's like the whole basis around this, right? So again, it's open source, so people can look at the code and add on to it. And created by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia. And it was a fork of Litecoin back in December of 2013. So this is way back. This is like multiple years before people, maybe I'd say around the area where if you would have gotten Bitcoin that time, you'd be doing really well right now. And now, I mean, well, look at this. What? Almost 8+ years later, worth 11.6 now, Bill. Crazy, right? That's absolutely insane. Now, obviously, you can see some more stuff regarding the actual like about section. Even Elon Musk posting about this, and then how you can mine Dogecoin, what can it be used for. And here they say it's been used primarily as a tipping system, so on Reddit and Twitter to reward the creation or sharing of quality content. So if you guys ever use Reddit, if you follow, stocks, cryptos, Reddit's usually the place you want to go to see like, due diligence, heavy research, opinions, crazy gains, things of that nature. And it seems like a great use case for that. So again, this is just like a quick history, little summary on it and where you can buy and stuff. Too, in case you're wondering, it's basically the markets tab, and that shows you everything where it's selling, which it's right now you can see the volume, it's 5.4 bill, and Binance currently as the winner with the most volume, 927 mil. And now you can see this is pretty much the exchanges where you can access it, right? So feel free to deep dive into that stuff if that pertains to you. You want to check out the white paper, their website, feel free to click on those too. Now, let's just look at the charts to see what's going on. So I'm using US dollar pair with the Bittrex exchange. And currently, Dogecoin, this massive surge in price, right? Look at this buy volume. Absolutely huge spike in the volume for buying. And the actual RSI, we're in like I'd say the risky zone, the overbought territory where we could see a big sell off, or we could see us forming a new base level where we could start trading sideways for a bit. And then depending on the demand, people buying Dogecoin or even the use case would determine on the future growth of Dogecoin, right? Because again, everybody's like, oh, this is a meme coin. The use case for this, it's it's not gonna happen. People don't care about this. Well, guess what? So far, short term, seems like those people were wrong. Now, could they be right in a year from now and Dogecoin crashes back down to the micro cents? Possibly, right? But at least right now, let's just look at the chart. So for the most part, crazy spike, sells off, pretty much trends upwards above the 50 MA, and currently we have another massive spike. So let's just see what is this. Let's look at this gain. So here, pretty much we have the 13th of April, and then currently right now that's pretty much all we have so far. So let's just measure it down here at this bottom price point, and I'll just start off this low candlestick right here, and that's basically like right where the 50 MA near that area, and at the high point right here, 31+% gain, which is crazy because the actual market cap's already in the multi-billions. So 30%, let's just say you're at 10 bill, you're basically over a 3+ bill increase just like that, right? So in a short period of time. So yeah, people might like, oh, it's only 30% crypto, that's not big. But when you're moving numbers like this, that's big. Now let's just see what happened. So pretty much here we had this original high point, right? The resistance level, this candlestick right here that we needed to break out. We did manage to break out of it, and bam, we just went crazy. Now we're up here. Now again, it looks like we did sell off, but we have a green candlestick forming. So we could see this trade sideways for a bit, and then potentially maybe if something were to happen, or maybe more buying pressure comes in, more volumes traded, then yeah, this could continue to rise again. But at this point, I mean, it's super risky. I'll say that the least. There's not any major news that I could find that was easily accessible. So if there is any article, partnership, use case, anything that would cause people to want to get in at this point, feel free to comment down below. Then I can check it out, make an update video. But for the most part, if this were to trend down, we could see this form some new support around the recent high candlestick, and that'd be a nice trend upwards because we still have the 50 MA that we could follow along towards the uptrend. But I mean, in general, this is Dogecoin, guys. So depending on how the internet is feeling, and also whenever it does spike up, guess what? A ton of people will share it, talk about it. So we'll have to wait and see. But for the most part, I'd like to see Dogecoin continue to increase, but then it is in risky territory, so it most likely could sell off and then form new supports. And also remember, Bitcoin is doing numbers today. So usually when the cryptocurrency, the king right now, Bitcoin is doing well, everything decides to do well. So as long as Bitcoin maintains this bullish growth, then I wouldn't be surprised to see these other cryptocurrencies maintain the growth. And then who knows, they start breaking all-time highs, and next thing you know it, big companies decide to invest a lot of money into it. Partnerships, use cases start to open up. We'll have to wait and see. But aside from that, let me know what are your price predictions for Dogecoin in the comments below. And also be sure to smash the subscribe button, like the video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.